share the strength I'm most proud of things I learned growing up with my mom and our big family. First, resilience. I saw my mom be both mom and dad to us after Papa passed. She never gave up, so I learned to stay strong too, even when things get hard. Second, kindness and acceptance. We're 5 siblings, our eldest is trans, and we all love each other just as we are. I treat everyone equally, no matter who they are. Third, responsibility. I help out at home and do my best in school because I want to make my mom proud. I know how hard she works, so I do my part too. Fourth, gratitude. I may not have everything, but I have a loving family and a mom who does everything for us. That's enough for me. These strengths are who I am. I carry them everywhere I go. And they push me to reach my dream of being a flight attendant someday. Thanks for watching. Bye!